wa home.
I just love how nature looks like. This is around 7:36 in the morning. Look at those ocean waves. This is where the river meets the ocean. Hiyo ndio ilikuwa inaitwa estuary pale. So I am doubting if I can be able to cross over. That's how the ocean meets the river. As you can see, water flowing from my left. All this water flowing from my left, that is Congo River. Africa.
Wewe wapindulu.
Abdul fake huyo. So close to 700 delegates drawn from across the Eastern Africa and Africa at large will congregate here behind me for a whole week. A week of networking, a week of exchanging ideas. So let's see what's up, and to a lot of deliberations, and let's see how it goes on.
Welcome to Diani. Welcome to PRSK. They say where two or more people are gathered, that is an institution, isn't it?
Amen.
And therefore,
as we navigate this evolving landscape, let us commit to anchoring our practice in transparency and high ethical standards.
As usual, lazima nikikam hizi maraundi ni hang around ndio niwaoneshe the people who are making moves behind the scenes. So nimejoiniwa leo na Prezo mwenyewe.
Mimi naitwa Arik Karani. My childhood friends wananitanga A+. Mimi nitawaambia hii opportunity ukipewa kuja hustle, chukua ma business cards. Ukikatu kwa hao my friend, ati unaombanga tu ati God ni bless, God ni bless. Ndio God anataka kukubless, lakini anashangaa nitakubless aje ukikaa kwa hao. So lazima ujitume. Hapa maisha ni kujituma.
The Bible says we should guard our hearts with all diligence. Kenyan women are taking that seriously. They are guarding their hearts from the Luo men. Also, it's not me. I learned that here. So